Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who is others in Facebook story. For example, if you upload a story on Facebook and after that you want to see who is others when you upload a story and you see random views on your story and one other view is also written. So in this way you can simply check for others all your stories. So how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and here you have to simply search for the Facebook, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Facebook app, and after opening you have to simply click on that profile icon, and after that you have to simply click on settings. So here you have to simply go to settings and privacy, and you have to simply go to privacy checkup. So here you can simply go for who can see what you share. So here you can simply check for your story settings privacy. So if you have set your story privacy to the public, then you will see many of your friends have seen your story, and also there is option available that others have also shown your story. So if you want to see that person, you have to simply go to privacy checkup, and you have to check whether you have allowed or tell your story into public. So here you have to simply click on continue. So here you have to simply go for the setting, for example, profile information, and you have to simply go to stories. So here you can simply check whether you have allowed public or friends, or you have customized your story. So if you click on public, then anyone including your friends will see your story, and after that you will see others in your story. But if you click on friends, then you will not be able to see that others option on your Facebook story. So in this way you can simply know about what the others option are available on Facebook story. So you don't have to panic because you have recently changed your privacy of your story and set it to public. That's why it is showing and another person's including your friends which have seen your story. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.